Come on, birdie.
No, he's doing good. I thought we were gonna have to get a little rougher with them, man.
He's not throwing up, right?
No.
That's what his mom does.
Raph, do me a favor. Check on that food in there. Oh, the light's gone. Oh.
Oh, he's hungry, do you see it?
You can just take it off. Yeah. Just come back with that light. That light was money. Tyler, you gotta see this, bro. This is like,
Like me with
that
pasta.
Light, that light right there. That light was. You have it?
You don't know.
Are you recording? Come on, buddy.
So maybe there is something to this meaty goodness, eh? Maybe I should start.
Thank you for this, Sonny.
I don't need to be thanked.
Matt's episode.
Whatever.